Good morning, friends. Today I want to share a few points about block diagram and PC configuration of IC 355. Introduction. The 355 timer IC got the name from the 5K resistor that is used in voltage division network. This IC is useful for generate acceleration, time delay and oscillations. In previous classes we study about oscillations. In intermediate we studied about oscillations. Function diagram. The function diagram of 355 timer IC is shown below. Pin 1 is ground, pin 2 is triggering, pin 3 is output, pin 4 is reset, pin 5 is control voltage, pin 6 is threshold, pin 7 is discharge, pin 8 is VCC, and one flip flop is connected to connected comparators. The functional diagram of 355 timer IC consists of two comparators and an upper comparator and lower comparator. We call it as UC as upper comparator and lower comparator as LC. A comparator comparate the two inputs that are applied to this and product an output. SR flip-flops. We studied in previous classes about SR flip-flops. A SR flip-flop operation which either positive clock transmitter or negative clock transmitter. It is have two inputs and one output, either Q or Q naught. Uh, if S is off, R is on, and means Q dash will on. It is set, and S is start, R is stop means it is reset. Q is on. Pin diagram of 355 IC. First pin is ground, second pin is triggering, third pin is output, fourth pin is reset, fifth pin is control voltage, sixth pin is threshold, seventh pin is discharge, eighth pin is VCC. There are 8 pins of for the 355 timer IC named as ground, etc. Ground. It is a common ground point of the circuit. The ground terminals of extreme circuit as well as power supply VCC and the ground terminals is connected to the ground. Triggering. This pin is the output triggering pin to the IC and act to the timing circle. A low signal at its pin triggers the timer. Required current at the pin is 0.5 UCA for a period of 0.1 UC. To avoid false triggering due to the noise, the pin required a push-up connecting voltage at this pin is 1.67 volts for a supplying voltage of 5 volts and 5 volts for the supplying voltage of 15 volts. Output. That the terminal it is used to get output and connect the loaded either instantly its the value is low or high. We know about the output to get an output for circuit. Reset. The reset pin is either not connected or connected to the positive rail. A logical low signal at the pin reset the timer, less its pin. The requesting reset voltage of 0.7 volts at the current of 0.1 amps. Control. These There are two 3 pin positive voltage of total power supply voltage. The control of voltage terminals. This those it becomes a part of this comparator circuit. Generally, a capacitor is connected between ground and voltage control terminals. Threshold. This pin provides threshold voltage to the upper comparator when voltage at this pin is greater than 2 by 3 VCC. It disturbs circular in is change. Its connect and non-inverting terminals of upper comparator. Requesting circuit is 0.1 amps with pulse reduce of 0.1 UC. Discharge. When output is low, then discharge terminals provide a low resistance discharge part of this external current capacitor. However, it acts open circuit when the output is high. This pin avoids an disconnected path of this timer capacitor through the NPN resistor. VCC. Supplying voltage is provided at the terminals for the time operation. This pin is connected positive rail of the power supply and also known as VCC. The power supply voltage can vary from 5 positive 5 volts to positive 15 volts. Thank you for giving this opportunity to everyone is grateful to us.